On last week's episode, we travelled from Agadir to Exo Hora. We found the local cats, we looked at scorpions in the desert, found goats and camels in trees, and tried the local seafood.
I'm Melody, and this is Michael. We are both Australian teachers who have taken a year off our jobs to travel. Our goal is to see more than 30 countries in 12 months. So subscribe, and let's get going.
Athens. It's been a fairly long day. We're about to board our next plane now, but we had a 10-hour wait in between it, which meant we ended up going and finding a hotel room, having a 4-hour nap, and then coming back to the airport.
Worst cracked in budget hotel room we've ever come across. We didn't film it.
No, it was
no one wants
shocking.
to remember it.
So,
but it was extremely cheap.
It was. Well, you got what you paid for. So, about to get on the plane now, off to Zakynthos, and then we can go relax and enjoy the beach for a few days. So,
Perfect.
Pretty excited about that. This is our job for the next 3 days. Swim, sunbathe, and do nothing else. It should be fantastic.
Shopping for food at the benefit of a kitchenette. Got excellent stone fruit here in the Greek islands. We live very cheap in Greece. Very cheap in Greece. It's going for a rhyme, but I shouldn't have. Matching shirt.
Oh, look how cute we are.
Great. Just great.
We're just on a post-dinner walk. Where are we walking?
To the marina on Bochali Beach. Beach walk.
Not at the moment. We'll get on the beach soon.
No, little road walk at the moment.
So today we're doing a tour of Zakynthos. We've just got a minivan with about 8 of us. I think we're the only ones who speak English, so it should be a good day.
Yeah. Don't know where we're going, don't know where we currently are, but we'll find that out later.
No, I think we're on I think it's called Bochali.
Bochali.
I think it's the name of the mountain that we're on.
Overlooking perhaps Zakynthos?
Yeah.
Oh, very good.
So,
figured it out.
Boat cruise later on today, I'm pretty sure.
Hopefully the camera picks up the sound. You can tell I'm having an excellent time, rather than the sound of my own voice, especially when amplified.
1, 2, 3, kick. 5, kick. And then this dance goes faster and faster every time. Okay, up, stop. This is a Greek dance, but the famous.
Greek dancing.
This is believed to be the second oldest olive tree in the world, around 2,000 years old. It's the oldest one on Zakynthos. The oldest olive tree in the world has about 1,000 years on this. So it's quite incredible. An olive tree could be as old as the calendar, really. Down below us is Shipwreck Cove. It's a really famous little beach on Zakynthos. The boat that's down there ran aground in about 1980. It was said to be smuggling contraband, I don't know, wine or women or who knows what, and is now a classic tourist spot. So we're up above it at the moment, and a little later on we're going to see it from down below. Well, we're in a cave.
It's just like the Blue Grotto, but it's free and you can actually swim in it.
Oh, once. White sand on the bottom, a little bit of light outside.
It's very pretty.
So it's our last night in Zakynthos. Just out having some dinner. We've had a huge day on our tour. I think it took us just everywhere it possibly could on the island. We were out for about, what, 8 hours?
No, more.
More?
Didn't get back till 7 and we left at 8:30.
Yeah, so huge day, but it was awesome. We had, there were only 8 of us in the van, which was kind of nice because I was expecting like a huge coach taking us to places, and it meant that we got to get to know our guide a bit more, and he was taking photos of us, which was really good. And then the boat cruise, there were a few more of us, they just put a few tours together. But yeah, it was heaps of fun. But as you can see, we're very hungry and very tired.
Where do we go tomorrow?
Tomorrow we head back to Athens for the night before going to Santorini the next day. So got another day essentially in Zakynthos. We don't leave till tomorrow night at about 8. Finish our dinner. We're just about to go back to Athens. It's a very empty flight.
Yep, so my seat. Sorry. Seat's dodgy. Anyway, 40-seater plane with 20 people on it. Should be a quick takeoff.
Propellers are about to start.
Quick flight.
We had a great time in Zakynthos. Don't really want to leave it, but off to another beautiful Greek island.
Off we go.
On next week's episode, we head to Santorini. We walk down the 240 steps to Amoudi Bay, which I wasn't so keen on walking back up.
Just making the memories. Keeping an accurate video diary. Melody is done. 100%.
And again, we enjoy the clear blue waters of Greece.